Hey guys, today I want to walk you through a house that I've doubled my money on. I made $70,000 on this house, and I'm going to turn the camera around and walk you through, and at the end I'm going to go through the numbers and tell you exactly what I did and how I did it. So this house I bought as a foreclosure. I tend to like getting foreclosures. I think you can get the best deals. 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. I put this on Airbnb. What I love about Airbnb and short-term rentals is you don't have to furnish the house like perfectly. It can be sparsely furnished. Just the comforts of any hotel. Clean sheets, clean towels, hot water, washer and dryer. This is a first floor master with an ensuite. Short-term rentals are so flexible in what you can and can't do. I like adding little touches like some decorations, plugs on the lamps, just creature comforts. And what I do when I walk through a house, when I stage it and get it ready, is I like to pretend like I'm gonna stay there, and I walk through and go through all the motions to make sure I'm not missing anything. But I love the character of this old house. You know, that's just a desk with 4 chairs. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect to make money on a short-term rental, as long as it's comfortable. Now I started moving this out already. I'm moving it to some other units because it is sold, so I've moved the mattress. Hangers, TV, again lamps with plugs. This is a king bed. Super comfortable gel foam mattresses is what I like to put on the in my Airbnbs. 10-inch OLEE, O-L-E-E is what I buy from Amazon, and they really, I get so many compliments. They're so comfortable. And a bed with a frame is less than $500. Here's the second bathroom. Cool characters. Now this house, actually, I didn't do much as far as cosmetics or repairs. I added the refrigerator. That's it. Everything else was there. It's got a nice screened-in patio. Small fenced-in backyard. It's a nice neighborhood. Great place to have a cup of coffee, hang out. So I bought this house for $67,000. It appraised at $129,000 when I purchased it, and it rents all the time. My average rent that I have received, I've owned this house 3 years, and my average rent has been $2,200 a month. Now I do have some utilities that additional expenses because it's a short-term rental. Furnace is fairly new. Second washer and dryer hookup, and another full bath. I replaced the toilet down here also. Another little covered patio area. I paid $67,000 for this house. I put about $11,000 in it. I had to put a new roof on a section of it. I had to replace the gas line underground, and the sewer line had a tree in it, so it collapsed. I've received an average of $2,200 a month on it for 3 years. Let's just assume half of that went in my pocket. It's a little bit more than that, but just for round numbers, half of it. So I got $67,000 purchase price, $11,000 in renovations. That's $78,000 plus half of the $2,200 cash flow, which that's another $40,000. And then I sold it for $115,000 minus the commission of around $7,000. That leaves me with a total profit of $70,000. 3 years, minimal work once I got it set up. My whole process is about setting up the house and then letting it pay for itself. And I've been able to duplicate this process over and over again. Guys, if you have any questions about this house or any other type of real estate questions you have, I have been doing this for over 30 years. I got 30 plus years in the hospitality industry, and just sharing how real estate can really create wealth over time. It's done it for me, and I'm hoping it can do it for you. I know it can. All you have to do is get started. Like this page, subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comments below. I'll try to answer any questions you have in future videos.